What up, Money Gang? It's your favorite money maker, Monique, and I'm coming y'all this week with just a little quick video. This week I'm going to show y'all how I made 2 little centerpieces using Canvas 8x8 for my cousin, and I really hope y'all enjoy my video. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on Little On Me, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified each and every time your homegirl drop a video. I hope y'all having a wonderful Labor Day weekend, and big birthday shout out to my girl Beyonce.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Please, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And today what we're going to be doing is a little DIY that I seen a fellow YouTuber do. And we're going to change. Oh, I've already spray painted these black and pink. And I'm going to spray epoxy some glass, crushed glass in it, and some different type of glitters. I've gotten this one from Walmart and also this one. And then I purchased these 2 today at Michael's that I will be putting in there. Now I've already mixed my epoxy, and of course I'm still using epoxy store epoxy. I did have to order some more, and this time I got a bigger one. This time I did get the 2-gallon one, so I got a gallon of red A and a gallon of B. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I hope y'all like this video. So y'all, I thought I was videoing and I was not videoing. So I already kind of sprinkled some of the crushed glass on there. So now I'm just going to go ahead in there with the pink glitter. And she was putting it on her hand and doing it. But I think I'm just gonna salt and pepper it on there. Oh, shake it like a shaker. No. Just a little bit. Okay, and y'all, I thought I opened all these before I started. I just went through here opening this. And now I got another one. We're not even gonna fight it. We're gonna go ahead and get. So now we're gonna go in here with the silver. Oh, I was about to make a mess. And just sprinkle it on there just a little bit. Like snow. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with these and this way. And it's going to be going straight up. That one is going like this. Horizontal, vertical. And then we're going to go vertical. Oh, that was horizontal there. So I'm going to have it like this just so I can make sure that I'm covering up the finish line. But it's technically when she lay it down, she's going to lay it up like this. Go ahead. Okay, y'all. So this is the part that I missed showing y'all when I did the first Canva. But I wanted to show you that you do lay the approximate first, just a little thin layer where you want your lines. And you're going to see me make little just up and down strokes with the with my brush, with the proxy. So I just wanted to make sure I did show y'all the first steps as well, because I didn't show y'all before, because I thought I was filming and I won't film it. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is coming to the end of the video. Like I told y'all, we're coming strong for the last 4 months. Hope everyone had a wonderful Labor Day weekend and enjoyed your holiday. As always, I love each and every one of you. Always put God first and chase that money, baby. Until next time, peace.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show.